Okay, so these are all the pieces that you have to print out. Now, I have already gone ahead and removed all of these supports, and I've also sanded down all of the joints. So the joints are these little pegs that stick out of some of the pieces, like these parts over here on each of these parts, undone these like cross pieces on each end, and you need to make sure that they fit into the holes pretty tightly because they're going to be holding up the entire structure. So we're going to start off by using one of these base pieces. This base piece has this jutting inwards, unlike some of these which have it jutting outwards. And we're going to put the rod right next to the notch, which is right here. Now we're going to grab one of these pieces and we're going to put it in just like that. Same with this other piece. There. And we're going to grab this cross piece. I'm also going to put it in. It's important that all of these pieces are pointing upwards. Now we're going to grab the other base piece. This one also has the notch inwards. And we're going to put it in just like this. The notch is over here. Okay, so now it's like this. And we're going to put in this rod on the other end. Like this. Okay, now we're going to grab this other piece and we're going to put it in just like this. Easy. So we're going to put in the base and the notch at the same time. There. And now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to grab this base, put it in here. Grab this rod and put it in just like this, there. And now we're going to secure this base by snapping it into one of the rods. There. And now it's complete. All the pieces are secured, just like that.